Hi everyone and welcome to this new video, and as you have read on the title, it's part 2 concerning my haul for the Longchamp Winter Sale. So let's go directly to the unboxing. Like the part 1, I'm going to insert the real unboxing where I have unwrapped the bag. So you will discover the bag, and just after we are going to talk a little bit and I'm going to show you more in details. So let's go. Without further ado, I directly open it again and let's have a look at it in all its glory. So yes, my friends, I have bought during the Longchamp Winter Sales the Longchamp Roseau Luxe handbag in size M in the cognac color. It's a gem. So in part 1 I have shown you that I have got the shoulder bag M, and I could not resist because the price was crazy. It was half price. The bag used to retail for 980 euros. Sorry my friend, I forgot the price in American dollar. And with the price reduction, I paid for it only 490 euro, quite a bargain. And I could not pass on it. I could not pass on it because I was crazy by the S size. I love it. I love it. Seriously, I have to be honest. I love the S size, but I already have one in my collection. In every case, I will do a video with all my Roseau Luxe, so you will see the S. It's another color. It's the first color. It is vegetal, but not worry. I will do a video. And even if I am not into the M size, it's my very first one. Because as you can see, I've got S size like this. This is an XS, but M, I really wanted it, but I was not ready to pay the full price. I have to admit, never I will buy such a bag, even if the leather is great, nearly 1,000 euro. It's crazy. And when I saw that on the American website, because you got the winter sales before us, I was keeping my finger crossed that we will have the same chance, the same opportunity to have it in Europe. So the very first day, as I explained you in part 1, the very first day of the winter sales in France, I was in front of my computer, and when I saw, I bought it. I bought it. I could not resist. So here is the bag. I will write the dimension, and it's a gem. The leather is just crazy. The glazing is white all over, in all parts where you need glazing. even at the bottom. The Luxe version does have feet, except for the shoulder bag, but you have feet and you have still the protection because it is brand new. So top handles, you have two. You have the traditional bamboo closure, as you can see, and the bag comes with a strap, all in leather with all the white glazing all over. The strap is removable. Let me show it to you. It's removable. It's called silver hardware. But unfortunately, and this is something that I do not understand with Longchamp, especially when such bags like this with those price, the strap is not adjustable. This is something crazy, seriously. Look at it. I will show you later how it is on my body. And inside you have one main compartment, and the S size is quite enough to carry all your essentials. So you can imagine in the M size, you have pockets which is zipped, as you can see. Let me open it to you. So this is the Longchamp tag inside. And you have a ribbon jacquard here, but other than that, you've got raw leather inside, and which is kind of a bit suede. This is like a flap pocket, and here you have the zip pocket. And something that, you know, if you follow my channel, I'm completely crazy with this accessoire. You've got the keychain, and this is a game changer, especially in bags like this. If you want to organize it, the keychain is so easy. I'm using a bunch of pochettes, which Longchamp pochettes have little earrings, so you can organize it. It's just great. And that's all. And on the M size of this one, the strap is on the extreme side of the bag, not behind the handles like this one or this one. So just to let you know. It smells divine. It smells divine. It's super lightweight. This is something crazy because it's a no leather bag. I'm going to show you on my body how it fits. So of course you can wear it by the carry it by the handle. You can put it like this, not on your shoulder. The handles are too short for this, and you can, of course, wear it like this. It's okay, even if it is thin, it's okay. And I can, because I'm so small, I can wear it crossbody. But if you are a tall person, I don't think, to be fully honest with you, I don't think I will use the strap a lot of time. I am more a top handle person, and I think I will change the strap because just to give another vibe to the bag. I am so happy. Never in my craziest dream I thought that I could add this bag to my collection. It was a dream because I'm crazy about the leather and the style of the bag. I think they are really precious looking and very elegant. I'm crazy about the Roseau line. I am not fan of the newest one, but that's another topic. And yes, when I saw they were on sale, I really wanted them. And I put some money aside, and as I told you a few minutes before, I keep fingers crossed that it will be on sale in Europe. So I was ready, and it finally happened. So I am really happy and grateful to have the opportunity to add them to my collection. And to be fully honest with you, I ordered something on the same day, but hours later, I have ordered a little something in this tiny box. So it was delivered later. I will insert the pic of the video. So it came in the box. And because it was a surprise when I saw it. And I got, let me show you, I got the Roseau Luxe keychain. Yes, it's adorable. It's clearly adorable. So, it's the bag in the tiny version. They even have done the glazing, the white glazing. Look at it, it's gorgeous. But, you know, I make honest review. I am happy to have it at half price because this little thing retail for 85 euro. And if you look carefully at it, I paid half price, so I paid 42.5 euro. And I think it's a good price. I won't be paying more for it because look at it carefully. It is not very well made. Look at the corner, and in fact, look at it. You have seen it's not perfect. So I am happy to have bought it half price because I think it is not a good work. Look at it. It's wonky both sides, and when you look at it like this, it's okay. It do the work, but it is not the same craftsmanship, thanks God, as on the bag, because if the bag had been wonky like this, I would have been upset. I told you the truth. So, no, the bag is okay. But the little keychain is, it's not a good work. It's okay just to have like this, and to pay half price. So, let me show you. I wanted it to do this. Yes, I think it's funny. It's funny on the bag, so it's okay even if it is a bit wonky. It's just a bag charm, and I also think I will put it on my S1. So this is the other thing I have bought during the sales. So that's all. I am over the moon. I am over the moon. I repeat, but I did not think I could add those two bags to my collection. So I finally paid for the two bags half the price. I paid 850 euro. So that's an amount of money. That's an amount of money. Let's talk about a little bit about money. It's an amount of money. As I told you, I have put money aside for this because it's a budget, but it was worth it because I repeat, those bags got amazing leather and the craftsmanship is not better than the other. Don't get me wrong, but it's really good craftsmanship with an amazing leather. So that's something we have to say. So I am super happy. I will do a video with my 3 bags, with my 3 Roseau Luxe to show you my whole collection. I don't think, because it's the very first time that Longchamp has done crazy price reduction, so I don't think they will propose those kind of bag. Maybe later they will do more, but I am 100% sure that the price will be insane because this bag, the original price, nearly 1,000 euro, it's already crazy. I think this bag at 700 euro, it was correct. 900 and something, it is not correct, but that's my just point of view and my just experience with leather and Longchamp. So I do think that if later Longchamp will offer a new Roseau Luxe version, I am sure the price will be completely crazy. So I am really happy to have them now. But let's see the future, as I used to say. Guys, tell me in the comment, did you score something crazy during winter sales or nothing? Or yes, let's open this discussion. Tell me your point of view if you have bought something or not. Let's open this topic. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for your support. Do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel if you like my content. If you have any question concerning Longchamp or bag or leather, please leave it. I will answer you. Till the next one, take care. I love you and we see you soon. Bye bye.